So now I'm gonna show you just a quick tour here, showing the dashboard. So now I'm logged in, so I'm seeing my dashboard. This is how I will update this website. This is how I will add content to it, create pages, changing the theme, install plugins. I'm gonna do this through this interface here. Okay. First thing that I want to show you is the toolbar. Here you're gonna click and you can have you can switch between your website, how people will see your website, and how you're gonna edit the website. You can switch here to have different views. I prefer having them in two different tabs, so I'll have one for my website here and one here. That will give me the two interface to change instead of keep switching it. Up to you. You also have here the option to click and then add multiple things, add post, pages, users straight away using this button here. So it's easier to do quick changes here. But you have the plan, you have this here, but you also have them here too. So same way that you have new post, media, page, and user, you have those here too. So have here the option to add posts and pages. Those are common content types that you're gonna create. Posts will be displayed in a blog style, so that's how WordPress was designed originally as a blog. So you will create one post and then this post will have dates and all. It will look like this here. You will have a post with comments, and then you will have one page with all that will list all your posts. We'll talk more about this later. Pages are more standalone content, so you will have, for instance, a sample page here that could be an about us, could be contact us. It won't be a post necessarily, information with a date. It will be something that will be there in your website forever. Products pages will be a type of page too. You will have then also here, for instance, where you're gonna change how your website will look like. So this is you're gonna find the list of themes that you can install on your website. So your website will look with different interface. So for instance, I have this here that is the 2023 theme. Very basic one is a blog theme that will allow you to customize it. You have some themes that will be there with more with different things to do straight away, a look and feel that is just there, ready to use. You don't need to change a lot. Those blog themes will be more flexible, will give you like a canvas, a clear one that you can just customize the way you want. So just you can change here, and of course you can just come here and add new. Plugins is the same thing. You will have, when you click, you're gonna see the list of plugins that you have installed at the moment, but you can always go here and install new plugins. Plugins will extend how WordPress works. So you have the out of boxes, the way it is now with the simple installation. You can keep adding more things and change how this WordPress will behave. By default, we have these two here. Depending on the theme that you install, it will come with more plugins too. You have also the users section where you're gonna see all the users in your website. At the moment, I just have me. There's only Miss Polly here, the user with the email admin. You can add more users here. You can have multiple people working on your website, multiple users at the moment at the same time. You can also change your profile here. An interesting thing is the settings. Settings will have a few things to change. For instance, you will have the general settings information here that you, for instance, you can change the title and the tagline of your website. You can also change here in the reading section what your homepage will display. So you can, at the moment, you are seeing the latest post, so it's behaving like a blog. So when I go to the homepage, it will list all my posts. I just have one, so it's just gonna show this one, the sample one. But if I have more posts, then they will be all listed here. When I go to my front page, this is what I'm gonna see. If I change this to static page, then I will have a different one. So my landing page, my home page will be not the latest post, but one page that I'm selecting should be the home page. Another thing that I can change is the permalinks to the way that the posts will show. So for instance, I have here my sample page. It will look like, sorry, not my sample page, my blog, my post will show with that extension because I'm having here the date followed by the name of the title of my post, because I'm using this structure, day and name, but I can select another structure of it, and then every post that I create will have this structure, the structure that I'm selecting here. So a lot of things that I will customize here, and we will pay a lot of attention in the plugins and also the appearance with the themes, and obviously the content that you are adding here. You're gonna use this interface to then work on this part here later. So everything that you are seeing here, you are creating through the dashboard, through the WP admin page.